Hey everybody, in this video we're going to take a look at working with Arena using Georgia Tech's Virtual Labs. The first step here is we're going to have to download the Citrix Workspace app. This software is basically what's going to allow us to work with the remote desktops that the Virtual Lab provides for us. So we can go ahead and get started, click Download for Mac, and Download Workspace app for Mac, and it's going to download over here in the corner. Should be finished in a few seconds. Just sit tight. Great, and it's finished, so we can click on it to start the installation process. And we see it over here, so let's click Install Citrix Workspace, Allow, and OK. Continue, continue, agree, install. Great, everything worked. So we can close that, and we'll close that. And now the second step here is we need to go to mycloud.gatech.edu. And this is sort of the portal where we're going to access the virtual desktops that we're then going to run on Citrix. So first things first, we need to authenticate. And this is just our credentials that we use to access any other point in the Georgia Tech network, Buzzport, for example. All right, and once we're authenticated, we can go ahead and click on Desktops, click on ISYE 2020, and let's go ahead and open it. All right, we can see the screen here, and so this is our remote desktop. And what we want to do is let's look for Arena. All right, Arena application, and I'm just going to go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. Awesome. And this screen probably looks very familiar at this point. So we can go ahead, click on Basic Process, drag our Create module, our Process module, and our Dispose module, and let's see if we can run a simulation real quick. Amazing. How exciting is that? All right, and we can stop this. Cool, and one last thing I want to show you guys before we quit is how to interact with the local file system from the remote desktop. So occasionally you could imagine potentially you want to save something from Arena onto your local computer, or vice versa, you may want to load something from your local computer into Arena. So we'll try out an example here with opening something. I just clicked on File and then Open. And if we click on this PC, we're going to get a little pop-up basically letting us know that the remote desktop is trying to interact with our local file system. We can click Read and Write. And then we'll see down here under Devices and Drives, we have the local disk, which for me is Matt's MacBook Pro. So I can double click into that, click on Users, click on my name, and this is my local home directory. So very nice. All right, folks. That should help you get all set up and running with Arena using the Georgia Tech Virtual Labs. Hope this was helpful. Thanks.